The best part of the holidays is when they're over, when everyone has had their fill and leaves me alone. Yeah, I'm a Scrooge or Grinch, and I know I can't convince everyone I love him, but can't stand all the invitations, all the obligations, all the festive treats. Yeah, I really hate them. All the wasted food, all the pointless gifts, all the extra pressures, they just keep persisting. Oh, the not so happy